Welcome to the real story of Alibaba. Not just a company, but a revolution. It started quietly from nothing, and it changed business forever. This is the story of a man, with no money and no power, no strong support behind him. Yet he built something global. This is the story of Jack Ma, a man rejected again and again, a man the world ignored, but he refused to disappear. This is not just success, it is a story of rejection, of patience and belief, and rising from zero. As you listen carefully, your English will improve naturally. Your listening will become clearer. Because this story is simple. So take a deep breath and listen to every line. This journey starts slowly, but it goes very far. Jack Ma was born in China, in a small and quiet city, at a time without the internet. The world felt very far away. Opportunities were limited then. Dreams were small and fragile. Life followed strict rules, and change was very slow. Jack's family was not rich. His parents were performers. They worked hard to survive. Nothing came easily to them. Jack was not special in school. He was small and very weak, and bad at mathematics. Failure followed him early. He failed exams many times. Teachers lost confidence in him. Classmates laughed quietly. The world said, "You are not enough." But Jack did not accept that, not because he felt strong, but because he refused to quit. Something inside stayed alive. Jack failed important exams. Again and again he failed. Middle school rejected him. College rejected him too. Most people would stop there. Most people would give up and accept a small life. Jack chose another path. After many attempts later, he finally entered university, not as a top student, but as a survivor. After graduation, reality hit. He searched for a job, interview after interview, rejection after rejection. He applied to be a policeman. They said he was too weak. He applied to many companies. All doors stayed closed. Then something painful happened. A famous food company opened. 24 people applied. Only Jack was rejected. That moment could break anyone. Standing alone while others win, feeling chosen to lose. Jack felt it deeply, but rejection taught him strength. Failure stopped surprising him, and fear slowly lost power. This changed his mindset. Jack became an English teacher. His salary was very low. His life was extremely simple, but English became his bridge. Every morning he rode out to a hotel with foreigners. He waited just to speak. Not for money or favors. Some ignored him completely. Some smiled and talked briefly. Jack returned every single day. Confidence grew quietly. His English became better. But something else changed more. He learned to talk to people, a skill more powerful than code. In 1995, he traveled abroad for the first time in life. There, he saw something new, something called the internet. He typed one simple word. Beer appeared from everywhere. Germany, America, Japan. The world felt connected. Then he typed another word. He typed the word China. Almost nothing appeared. That moment stayed with him. China was invisible online, and invisible means forgotten. Jack understood the danger, and he carried this idea home. He returned with no money, but with a burning question. Why can't the world see us? That question changed everything. After defeating eBay in China, Alibaba was no longer ignored. The world finally noticed Jack Ma. Success had arrived. Alibaba was not just a website. It became a complete system. Shopping, payments, and logistics. Power was growing fast. Jack Ma had a bold dream. He wanted Alibaba to last long. Not for years, but centuries. A company with purpose. But with power comes attention. And attention brings pressure. The government started watching. Storms began to form. Alibaba was becoming too big, too important, too influential. This made people nervous. In 2020, Jack gave a speech. He criticized old financial systems. He spoke openly and honestly. That speech changed everything. Soon after that moment, a massive IPO was stopped. Billions of dollars froze. The world was shocked. Jack Ma disappeared quietly. No interviews, no speeches, no public appearances. Questions filled the air. Investigations started soon after. Alibaba was accused of monopoly. Heavy fines followed. A clear warning was sent. Many people said it was over. They predicted Alibaba's fall. They said the magic was gone. But they were wrong. Alibaba had survived worse. It was built on rejection. It was built on patience. This was another test. Jack made a wise choice. He stepped back silently. He chose humility over pride. Leadership changed quietly. Alibaba began restructuring. The company was divided. Each part gained independence. Stability slowly returned. Growth slowed down on purpose. Service became the focus. Trust came before expansion. The storm reshaped Alibaba. After the storm passed, Alibaba was different, quieter but stronger, and more focused. The company returned to basics, helping small businesses again, supporting ordinary sellers. The original mission returned. Behind the scenes, Alibaba Cloud grew. It powered systems silently. Hospitals, cities, logistics. The unseen strength of Alibaba. Alibaba expanded globally with care, respecting local cultures, supporting local sellers, not forcing one system. Jack Ma chose a new path, away from daily business, toward education and teachers. He believed learning lasts forever. He said technology moves fast, but education moves deeper and shapes generations. That became his focus. Alibaba's real legacy appeared. It was never just shopping. It was access and opportunity, power for ordinary people. Farmers sold products online. Mothers built home businesses. Students reached global buyers. Dreams became visible. Alibaba did not help elites only. It helped the invisible rise. That is true impact. That is real success. Jack shared simple life lessons. Start with what you have. Believe when no one does. Build for others first. Challenge giants with courage. Adapt like water when needed. Stay humble at the top. Think long term. Jack said he was ordinary, rejected many times in life, but he refused to quit. That made all the difference. This is the real story of Alibaba. Not luck, not magic, but belief and patience. This story is now complete. Thank you for listening carefully.